Alright, what's up guys? So we're gonna be installing the Tomei on the new Miata right now. We're gonna have some clips of the sound before and after probably. There's not many videos on YouTube about like a ND Miata with the Tomei, so hopefully this video is the one for you that shows the clips of before and after, and then also we'll probably shoot some rollers and like interior shots too, so you could hear the exhaust from all angles.
Okay, let's go.
You want me to rev it?
Yeah.
Ew. Yo, let me know when you turn it on.
Alright, we're gonna fix that right now.
My phone fell.
Let's see how much trouble he has. We're just gonna let him do it all on his own. But we actually have one of these tools now. Shout out to Josh. Maybe a lifesaver. I don't know why Derek and I have never gotten one of these. We're just so stubborn about it. It's gonna be a godsend.
I'm out! Hopefully this is the Tomei video guys that you guys want to watch.
Alright, Matt's working on getting that other side out real quick. You get it? I think you got it.
Now we put my in here. Is that not like part of car antics?
I don't think we should have said it before.
Oh, my fault. Where'd I put this?
Oh, this shit. That's yours. Where do you want to put it? Fit in the trunk. It should fit in the trunk, right?
You think it'll fit in the trunk?
Yeah.
Ooh.
There you go. Just drive like that.
Let's start the car.
we should start with that.
Rotating the hazards. Alright, we're gonna get started. We're gonna unbox the exhaust. This is the lightest exhaust you've ever had in your life.
Fucking box is heavier than the actual exhaust.
The box is actually heavier. Let me get a knife.
Here we go. Blur that address out. If you guys want a new Miata with a Tomei exhaust, there it is.
Bruh, it's already gone. Play.
Oh shit!
I'll wear that. Hey! Dude, wait, they have a badge. I'm not putting that in my car, but that's kind of sick.
That is pretty sick. I didn't know.
I'll use the.
This for an axle back too.
This shit is tiny.
I think it's pretty average. Maybe even big. Yo, that thing looks sick already. Oh wait, since it's titanium, you better put on gloves. Your finger oils get on there, and then it will leave it when you start your car up. Quick little update. Derek's car, working on it. You got one side on, got one head on.
What?
Head?
Head?
Question mark?
You want to finish the head for me?
Bro, sit in the car right now.
What?
Oh damn.
Woohoo, look at that shit! God damn! God damn! God damn! God damn!
Stupid. Okay, so we're halfway through putting the Tomei on. For some reason, the manual said to take apart the engine, so we did it. I don't know why. So we have to put the engine back together. Derek's working on that right now.
Hopefully it sounds sick though, right? Hopefully
yeah.
It's worth it.
Hell yeah. Okay, so they only came with this set of like screws and stuff. There's no bolt here, so we think that we have to take it off of the old one, but it's kind of hard to. So this is for the actual like this part, and then we're gonna put these underneath so they're tight because we like it tight. There's no rattling. But yeah, we just need to take the screws out. I mean, they go out over there.
What he's talking about is these bolts right here. The OEM bolts. You gotta take it out of the stock muffler, but it's like hella stuck in there. By the way, did you guys know the word hella originates from the Bay Area?
Shut up, dude. Okay, so we can't take that off, so we're gonna go to a car part store. I don't know. Is that
we're going to Ace Hardware.
We're going to Ace Hardware. We're going to Ace Hardware to buy some replacement ones. They're 10 by 1.5. But yeah, we'll go buy some and then put the Tomei on afterwards. And then we still have to put it together the engine before we put the engine on.
You. Will you remember?
2 hours later.
No shot. So there's an 86 and a Miata over there. Holy shit. Alright, so now that we have the the bolts from AutoZone. Where do we go?
Ace Hardware.
Ace Hardware. We're putting the hanger stuff on, so I'm just fitting it on with this rubber piece that goes on this part. Yeah, right here. And then you just tighten it a little bit. So we're just gonna keep it loose so we can adjust it. And you put the one that's a triangle on the exit, and then this one on this part.
Yeah.
So yeah, busting.
Hells yeah.
Just a little thing when putting these hangers on. We put this one on obviously really easily. This one, you loop this part through here first, and then you put it over.
Matt's using his brain. I couldn't figure that out.
Another thing for the installation manual, there's the QR code. So there's a QR code. If you need the manual only has like pictures and nothing else. It doesn't tell you how to build it, it just shows it from the bottom how it's supposed to look, but it shows what parts go on where. So that's how we found out that we needed the OEM ones, but since we can't take it off, we were just putting the ones that we got from Ace Hardware.
Which honestly I would suggest doing this, that way they're a lot easier to work with than that shit over there.
Yeah. I just need to push it in, right?
Yep.
Just shove it in. All right, so we just finished putting the exhaust on. So for the bolts, it was actually 10 by 1 1/4, and then we had to buy, then we bought a washer because the bolt that we bought, the spring would fall off, so that's why we bought the washer. When we were putting it on, the welded piece fell off, so kind of just had to like tighten it on there ourselves. But
Tomei, we're kind of disappointed. How are you just gonna tack weld something onto your part? Like, how are you not gonna do the full job and just weld around it? Like, that's kind of fucked up, not gonna lie.
crazy.
That shit broke off easy too.
they gave me a cool license plate and sticker. that makes up for it. So like, it's okay, it's fine. But yeah, it's on now. The fitment's pretty nice. I think it looks really good with the blue, because the blue tip and the blue car is kind of fire. I'm not even gonna lie. Full start?
Careful. Yeah. There's so much air. Yeah. We'll get some revs and exhaust vent from the warms up.
Alright, so that's the end of the video. We put the exhaust on, showed you some clips of the interior driving and then the cold start before and after. So be sure to subscribe if you like the content that we're making. If you want to see more Miata content, we'll be doing a lot more in the future with my stuff. And then obviously Derek's car is coming.
Almost there.
Almost there. So thank you guys for watching again. We'll see you guys soon.
Okay, here's the photo.
That sounds so nice.
There was a little pop.
There was just a little bit of a pop. Oh my god, Matt, I'm jealous.
Tomei, say that Tomei, Tomei.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be installing a Tomei on the new Miata.